Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in conversion rate optimization, we'll discuss about qualitative research. What is qualitative research in the first place? Why we need to do qualitative research? How qualitative research works? What are the tools and methods? And how to go about with qualitative research, ensure that we get the highly optimized conversion rate. What is quality research in the first place? Quality research refers to revealing targeted audience behavior which is analyzed, measured, tested and informed decisions are taken for continuous improvement. Qualitative research refers to doing analysis on the customer's behavior, how the customers are behaving on a particular website. When you have a website, when the user comes to a website, the user is an anonymous user and you actually analyze the behavior of this anonymous user on your website to ensure that you do some kind of a research to analyze the behavioral patterns of the end user, the anonymous visitor, and how actually they are behaving, what are the pages they are visiting, what are the pages they are not visiting, how much time they are spending on those pages they are visiting, so on and so forth. These factors need to be taken into consideration to analyze the user behavior so that you can take informed decisions based on the user behavior for continuous improvement, so that you can keep on improving your website information, website content, website user interface, website user experience, so that you can drive conversions based on the user behaviors. Qualitative research plays an important role in conversion rate optimization. Obviously, qualitative research plays a very important role and extremely crucial role in actually having a very good conversion rate, and these factors need to be taken into consideration, the factors related with the user behavior on your website for improved conversion rate optimization. Why actually we need to do qualitative research? Qualitative research helps in analyzing information such as behaviors, opinions, patterns, needs and pain points. What are the behaviors? The behavioral pattern of the visitor on your website. The moment they land on the first page, the home page, what are the pages they are navigating into, what are the pages they are walking into, how they are walking into your website, what are the pages they are viewing, how much time they are spending. If you have a website, that website is related, for example, digital marketing. In digital marketing, you have various chapters, like you have SEO, you have SEM, you have AdWords campaigns, you have online reputation management, you have viral marketing. These are the various pages, for example, that are existing on your website. If I as a user is coming to your website, now if I directly navigate into online reputation management, it means I am looking something at online reputation management. It means I am actually in need of online reputation management, and that is precisely what pain points are all about. It means my pain point is related with building an online reputation. It means that is the reason why I have directly navigated into the online reputation management page, where I am reviewing the complete content that you have posted on your website. It means that is my pain point. It means I am looking for services in online reputation management. If some user has come, they have gone into the search engine optimization page, it means their pain point is search engine optimization. They want to improve the rankings of their website in search engine optimization, and that is precisely what the pain points, the behaviors and the opinions matter, and these are actually the factors that you use, analyze, report and improve your conversion rate optimization based on the behavioral pattern of the end user, the website user, the anonymous user, and this is precisely what the behavioral patterns are all about, and this is precisely what qualitative research is all about in conversion rate optimization. Now, how actually conversion rate optimization works and what are the methods that are involved, how you can actually do the behavioral pattern analysis of the users. First is online forums. You go to online forums, or you can go to Facebook pages, the groups that you have, the forums you have on other websites, and understand the behavioral pattern of the user there. What are the questions they are asking? What are the answers they are getting? And analyze why they are asking these questions and go to their website and analyze what kind of services and solutions they are offering. Then comes the online communities. You have a lot many communities available online where users flock to those communities to engage with the people, to engage with the experts in actually understanding the behavioral pattern and to understand the pain points, pain areas, the patterns of the end users. Then you have the web surveys and the chats. This is a very good method actually that is implemented with a lot of companies, with a lot of professionals, where they actually understand the behavioral patterns and the pain points of the end user or the customer. Focus groups similarly. These are the methods that you employ actually to understand the behavior of the end user, and this is precisely what qualitative research is all about. Depth interviews, triads and dyads, these are the two methods actually where triads means there are 3 group areas, the dyads means there are 2 group areas, and these are actually the patterns there where you actually employ them to understand the user behavior, and these are some of the methods that you can employ, that you can think of using and implementing to understand the behavioral pattern, the opinions, the pain points, the issues, the concerns and the challenges of your visitors, of your end users, so that you can actually employ them, you can customize your website, address those concerns and leading into generating leads and customers for improved conversion rates. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is qualitative research, why qualitative research, and what are the qualitative research tools and methods that you can employ for improved conversions. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.